this is Mrs. H from Upper Darby Sellers Library, and today we're going to make some simple and fun origami. Here are the steps for making the origami cat. This is a sheet that you can get with some origami paper. We have a limited supply of origami paper and the instruction sheets at Sellers Library for you to pick up. Let's take a quick look at the instructions for the cat. They are numbered, so you start with 1, of course, folding the origami paper in half with the white side up. Then you fold it in half again, and this time you'll see the colored side of the paper. Unfold it to open it up, and then you're going to fold down that top point of the triangle, then put it back up and fold both layers to that line that was made by your fold. So you're making another crease there, and here we're going to fold the ears up. That makes the ears for the cat, and you fold up a tiny little point right there. That's going to make his mouth. Right now we're looking at the back of the cat's head, and then you turn it over and you have the front of your cat, and you can add a little nose, draw some eyes. If you have googly eyes, you can put some crazy googly eyes on your cat, and you can add a little nose. Here is the sheet of instructions for the dog origami. And this one is very simple. It's just 5 steps. So let's get started.